Hi, it's Dr. Arif Rajpura here, Director of Public Health at Blackpool Council, here to give you an update on the coronavirus pandemic and how it's affecting Blackpool. So I'm pleased to report that cases have fallen over the last week or so. So we are starting to see a decline in the number of cases. So currently we stand at 322 cases per 100,000 as we speak. And although the cases have come down, I'm conscious that they're still too high and we need to drive those rates further down. So thank you for doing everything that you're doing to curb the spread of this infection, but please continue to follow the guidance. And of course, we've gone into the national lockdown as of the 5th of November, so that should reduce the amount of social contact that people have and drive the cases further down. So I'm hoping the figures will continue to decline. But we need to all follow the basic guidance around hands, face and space, washing our hands, making sure we're wearing a face covering where it's mandated, and obviously socially distancing when we're outside of the household. It's really important also that people, if they're symptomatic, if you've got new continuous cough, you've got temperature, or there's a loss of smell or taste, that you go and get tested. And we have a local testing site which I talked about last week, which is on the South Shore car park. And so please do get tested so that we can find out whether people have got coronavirus and obviously curb the spread of this infection. Of course, if people do test positive, then they need to self-isolate, and the household needs to self-isolate. And this is really important because this protects the friends and family and the wider community. Self-isolation, I know, has a financial impact on people, and of course, financial support grants are available, and there is information at the end of this video which will point you to how to access those grants. But it's important that people self-isolate if they've got symptoms, or they're awaiting a test result, or they've got a positive test result, or they've been contacted by NHS Track and Trace. You need to follow the self-isolation guidance. And of course, it's law now, so you do risk a fine if you don't follow the guidance. This is really important also for families to follow the guidance around self-isolation, because of course, if you don't, then children risk spreading that infection within the school setting to fellow pupils and to teachers. And it's really important that families follow that guidance. So if families have got anyone with symptoms of coronavirus, or are awaiting a test result, or have got a positive test result, or have been contacted by NHS Track and Trace, then in that situation, the family needs to follow that guidance around self-isolation. So thank you for all your support so far, and thank you for listening. Please continue to do all the basic things to reduce the spread of this infection, and let's drive down those infection rates further. I'll see you on the next one, and please take care. Thank you for listening.